It is Wednesday morning, August 4th. We are out really early walking the beach. We're gonna go to Ray's spot, try to see if we can find some shells. They found a ton of crazy shells last night after dinner. We ate at our hotel and it was so good. It's probably so windy, I don't even know why I'm talking, but so funny. Hi, Leah. Oh, look at how there's this wall here, bud. Look at this. There's like a wall created. Get a shell, right? We are seeking shelter under a random resort's little hut. We're all here and it is a complete monsoon out there. Look at that. Look at that crazy This storm. Is crazy. Huh? Can't even see. The girls and I are hiding behind some trash can.
Because the wind's blowing it.
Are you okay?
Good morning.
It's coming quick too. We made it back. We decided to just go for it because it wasn't gonna stop for a while. It's nasty out there. This is how you look when you're running in the rain. All right, what a morning adventure before 8 o'clock in the morning. Aaliyah, be careful, okay? Oh, now we'll dry up and make some breakfast and just relax for the morning. We decided to stay another night. So we gotta pack some of our stuff up and we'll move it to a different room. Just for one more night. One more day of goodness. Selena, how was that?
Well, I was the one that was running the whole time.
I couldn't, I hope my feet.
Daddy was running with me too. I was like,
what an adventure.
And look at that water, but the water still looks really nice, but it's really, 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 really crazy out there. And so we're just gonna chill today. We're gonna go to a different room, but it's on level 1.
All right. I don't even know what the last thing I recorded was, but we had breakfast and we packed up our room. And now we're in a new room that has 2 beds, doesn't have a little kitchen area. We have a mini refrigerator and a microwave and a sink. That's it. No stove. Yeah, but there's no stove, no toaster.
Should have brought a little stove thing. We could bring it out there.
Oh my gosh, that's what we could do next time.
Yeah.
We could get one of these rooms. Ray said he likes this vibe. It is very open, which makes it feel nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have like a little portable. That would be a great idea, Ben. Next time. Next time, that's what we'll do.
Mm-hmm.
Fridge space might be a little lacking though. We can make it work. Yeah. But our view is amazing. Yeah, the girls are eating lunch, leftovers from dinner last night. And this is our view. And then we got the ocean. We got a back patio door. There's a snail on our, oh, there is.
2 snails.
But this is so gorgeous. We just got through going to the Shell Museum. Ray has a sticker on his shirt. I visited the Bailey Matthews National Shell Museum, and we got postcards and we sent them out at the post office. He's gonna drink his White Claw. I'm about to pour myself some wine and munch on some cheese and salami. That's lunch. Snacking on what we have left over. In this room, they left us a crab. A crab towel. That's so cool.
Power mode.
How was your day, Selena? It was good. You're tired? Are burning? We're all ready to go to bed. We went out this afternoon and we went shelling for like 3 hours in this one area, and we just found so many amazing shells, all this crazy good stuff, just awesomeness. The trip is over. I'm turning the light off. Ray says it's not over. Well, we're going to bed. And then we went to have dinner at the Blue Giraffe. We had dinner at the Blue Giraffe. It was really good. And then we went and got dessert at Joe's Custard. And I'm really full. And we're all gonna go to bed. It's been a good day.